None of those people thought a crime ever occurred. None of those people ever wanted to see criminal charges brought against Alex.
You are just hearing from the attorney representing Alex Tchervinski, the guy you're looking at right there. A judge dropped the case against Tchervinski today. This is months after he was charged in connection to last summer's downtown brawl.
WCPO 90's reporter Valerie Lyons was there inside the courtroom today. She joins us live downtown. Val, you were inside the courtroom because that trial was supposed to start this morning.
Yeah, Adrian, city prosecutors said they needed 2 key witnesses to move forward, but for the second time, those witnesses did not show. So when the defense asked the judge to drop the case, he agreed. Relief in the courtroom Tuesday after Alex Tchervinski learned he wouldn't have to stand trial.
The charges shouldn't have been brought in the first place.
That's Douglas Brannon. We spoke with him minutes after a Hamilton County judge dismissed the case against his client.
We're really happy about the outcome.
Tchervinski was charged with disorderly conduct for his alleged role in last summer's downtown brawl. Video showed him slapping a man before the chaos escalated. Because Tchervinski was also identified as a victim, Cincinnati police didn't name him, citing Marsy's Law protections. It took time for us to learn of his involvement because the city solicitor's office, which filed the misdemeanor charge against him, kept his case sealed. Last fall, a city spokesperson also cited Marsy's Law as the reason. Brannon says the city never had strong evidence.
He is going to help the county prosecutor assist in the prosecution of those cases that are currently pending in the common police court. And that's where the focus of this case needs to go at this point, to make sure that the true criminals are held accountable for the assaults that they committed on these people.
So he'll be a witness in those cases?
You bet Alex will be a witness in those cases.
I am not impressed with him as a witness.
Clyde Bennett is representing DeKira Vernon, one of the 7 other defendants. All but one is set to be tried in May. And unlike Tchervinski, Vernon and the others were charged with felonies not long after the brawl. Did you feel a sense of injustice and imbalance as it came to the charges there?
Absolutely. It's crystal clear that that man should have been charged with the same charges as everybody else because of his conduct, because of what was recorded, what was actually seen. He should have been charged with rioting.
We ask that you silence yourself.
Now, a few witnesses did show for the prosecution, including 2 CPD detectives and interim police chief Adam Henney, who at the time of the brawl was the District 1 captain and signed off on the charge against Tchervinski. And that move followed calls for justice from black leaders who said police were quick to charge black people, but not the white man they say incited the brawl. Reporting live downtown, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.